Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, welcome to my new channel. I am Zaid Khandekar and my channel's name is Zaid Khandekar. In this video, I want to give you the knowledge how to clean your laptop in your house, in your home. Today, I'm going to say how can you get the basic servicing of your home's laptop at your home, at your house, at your home. But again, I have to say it is very easy to service it up. First of all, you need some kinds of brush, like maybe a toothbrush, maybe a color brush. If you have an air blower in your home, then no comparison, it will be best. In other words, it will be professional, If not, no matter what, if there is a brush or toothbrush left after your home, first wash the brush thoroughly with soap. After drying, thoroughly clean the entire contents of your laptop, all the borders, all the area of your laptop. You have to be clean by the brush. Of course, just try to mind it. The brush will be dry. The brush must be dry. After that, after brushing, liquid of any kind, spray by mixing the amount of water with lens cleaner, glass cleaner, or saline Dettol with water mix you can use. So, first of all, you need the brush, then the liquid cleaner, then the liquid must be removed within